Juliet Cuthbert, you sitting life for nothing now go off, you know, but don't remember, you know. But try you people them say, and them want your rule if you're next term, them want tear down and pop you down. Nah listen what them I say, them why you say you feel, but you are win the next term this year. Right now, Juliet not have no worries. She a lead on everything, yes, and she a win everything. Right now, Juliet not have no problem. She a win everything, yes. She a lead on everything. Boy, why worry a Juliet Tower?
In 2015, the PNP government and MP for West Rural St. Andrew at the time put up a sign that we're looking at right here in Rock Hall, which reads, the Rock Hall Health Center. But as you can see, it was a trick before the elections. The government member at the time made the sign knowing there was no structure built. A sign is usually made after construction is completed. Let's not be fooled again by the PNP government and their representatives. Vote JLP and your Member of Parliament will make sure a promise made will be a promise kept.